Welcome back to Green Enchantment Insights, where we explore the amazing world of natural remedies and wellness. I'm Joy, and today we are delving into the vibrant universe of hibiscus tea. From its stunning crimson hue to its potential health benefits, hibiscus tea is a true marvel of nature. In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a refreshing cup of hibiscus tea, share its incredible health properties, and even provide some pro tips to make your hibiscus experience truly outstanding. So, whether you're new to hibiscus or already a fan, stick around, you're in for a treat. So, let's dive into its incredible health benefit. 1. Blood pressure regulation. Hibiscus tea has been associated with a reduction in high blood pressure due to its diuretic and vasodilatory properties. It helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and potentially lowering blood pressure. 2. Cholesterol management. Hibiscus may help lower LDL cholesterol levels. It contains compounds and polyphenols that can contribute to improve cardiovascular health. 3. Weight management. Hibiscus tea can aid in weight management as it inhibits the absorption of dietary carbohydrates. It may also help in reducing body fat by inhibiting the production of amylase, an enzyme that aids in digestion of carbohydrates. 4. Antioxidant properties. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and other compounds. Antioxidants help combat free radicals in the body, potentially reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 5. Immune system support. The vitamin C content in hibiscus contributes to a stronger immune system. Regular consumption may help your body defend against common infection and illnesses. 6. Liver health. Some research suggests that hibiscus extract may support liver health by protecting it from damage caused by oxidative stress. This can be particularly be beneficial for individuals with liver conditions. 7. Digestive health. Hibiscus tea is known for its mild laxative properties, which can aid in promoting healthy digestion. It helps alleviate constipation and can provide relief from gastrointestinal discomfort. The natural diuretic effect of hibiscus may also contribute to flushing toxins from your body. 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Hibiscus tea contains polyphenols and other compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases, including heart disease and arthritis. It's an excellent choice for those looking to maintain overall well being. 9. Skin health. The antioxidant, particularly vitamin C in hibiscus tea, can have a positive impact on your skin. This antioxidant promotes the production of collagen, a vital protein for skin elasticity. Collagen helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines, contributing to healthier and more youthful looking skin. 10. Potential anti-cancer effects. While more research is needed in this area, some studies suggest that hibiscus extract may have potential anti-cancer properties. Certain compounds in hibiscus, such as polyphenols and other compounds, have demonstrated an ability to inhibit the growth of specific types of cancer cells. Keep in mind that hibiscus should not be considered a replacement for conventional cancer treatment but may complement a healthy lifestyle. So many of you may be asking yourself, so how do you make hibiscus tea? So ask no more questions and let's discuss on how to make hibiscus tea. So we start with the ingredients. You only need 2 cups of water, 2 to 3 tea bags or dried hibiscus petals, a sweetener which you may use sugar or honey, and citrus slices or mint leaves, which is very optional. So instructions, let's start. So you first boil water. Begin by putting the 2 cups of water to boil. You can use a kettle or a pot. So you add the hibiscus. If you're using tea bags, put them in your teapot. If you have dried hibiscus petals, you can place them directly into the teapot or container. So step number 3, you pour the hot water. Once your water comes to boil, carefully pour it in the hibiscus tea bags or petals in your teapot. Step 4, steep the tea. Cover the teapot or container with a lid or a plate and let the hibiscus steam into the hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavor will be. Step 5. Remove the tea bags or strain. If you used tea bags, simply remove them from the teapot. If you use dried petals, strain the liquid into another container to remove the petals. Step 6. A sweetener, which is also optional. So hibiscus tea can be quite tart, so you might want to add a sweetener if desired. Honey, sugar, or stevia are common choices. Start with a teaspoon of the sweetener and adjust the taste. Stir until the sweetener is completely dissolved. Step 7. Cool or serve hot. At this point, you can choose to serve the hibiscus tea or to cool it to room temperature. If you want iced hibiscus tea, let it cool down further. Step 8. Garnish, which is optional. Before serving, you can add garnishes like citrus slices, which may be lemon, lime, or orange, or fresh mint leaves to enhance the flavor and appearance. You can now serve, pour the hibiscus tea into cups or glasses and enjoy. It's a refreshing and vibrant beverage that can be served on its own or alongside your favorite meal. You can store any leftovers. If you have leftover hibiscus tea, you can refrigerate it into a container for later use. It's also great for making iced hibiscus tea for the next day. Hibiscus tea can be enjoyed either hot or cold, and you can customize it to your taste by adjusting the sweetness and adding garnishes. It's a delicious and healthy beverage that offers numerous potential health benefits. And there you have it, the art of crafting a delightful cup of hibiscus tea. The vibrant flavors and potential health benefits makes it a true standout in the world of herbal infusions. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my Green Enchantment Insight for more informative content on natural remedies, health, and wellness. Plus, click that notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Please don't forget to give us your feedback through our comment section. If you have any questions or any advices, just comment below and answers will be provided. As always, thank you for joining us. Until next time, take care and enjoy the numerous benefits of hibiscus. Goodbye.